back to the channel. In this today's video, we are dive into connecting Microsoft Power BI with Bitrix BI Analytics. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to integrate these two powerful tools to generate insightful reports and enhance decision making. So grab a sheet, hit the bell icon, and let's jump into today's topic. So today we're discussing on connecting Microsoft Power BI with Bitrix BI Analytics. First, you install Power BI Desktop. After that, downloading the Power BI and install Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Get connected data from Bitrix24. First, you navigate to CRM and then go to the Analytics. After that, you can BI Analytics in Bitrix24. Open the Microsoft Power BI tab and copy the server address and the secret key. These are the server address and the secret key. So before that, you can open the Microsoft Power BI tab and copy the server address and secret key and install a report template. You can install the report template and download the template file for Power BI. I have already installed it and download it and try to after download the Power BI connect the Power BI to Bitrix data. So open the download and try to click the template. Open the template. It automatically redirected to Power BI desktop file and then enter the server address and the secret key. Then load the data. I will click the template and then it automatically redirected to the Power BI. After user interface, it shows server key, server address, and the secret key. So and you need to specify a smart processing ID. So if you want to smart processing ID, let's wait. See the Power BI asking three values: server address, secret key, and smart processing ID. So you can copy the server address and secret key what you are in the Power BI. You can copy these two values. If you want to smart processing ID, just go to smart processing automation, scroll down below, just a minute, click the smart processing automation and copy the type ID. You can copy any type ID. This is for referral purpose. You can copy the smart processing ID, then automatically open the template in the Power BI. See this, all database, all tables of your server, it's automatically fetch into the Power BI. So modify the template to optimize the data load, publish and share the report. You can create the report and after that publish the report. If you want publish it, you can click the publish in the Power BI to upload the report to the Power BI cloud services. You can choose any type of data set and prepare the dashboard in the Power BI. Like that, you can transform the data section in the Power BI to adjust the column types and the rename term. Update the data in the Power BI. Enable scheduled updates to in Power BI cloud under my workspace. All enable maintenance up to date data or manually refresh the report. So you can create the report in the Power BI and then publish it. If you publish it the dashboard and automatically the asking the save button and then you can save it. Like that you can connect from Bitrix to the Power BI, Bitrix dashboard to Power BI. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Got any thoughts or questions about the integration Power BI with Bitrix24, drop them in the comments below and I will be sure to get back to you. Catch you in the next one where we will continue to explore the best tool to optimize your workflow.